Welcome to our channel. If you want to search YouTube using voice commands instead of typing, follow these step-by-step instructions for both mobile devices and smart TVs. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your smartphone, tablet, or smart TV. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your device's microphone is enabled. Step 2. On mobile devices, look for the magnifying glass or search icon at the top of the screen and tap it to open the search interface. Step 3. Within the search box, locate the microphone icon on the right side. This icon represents the voice search feature. Step 4. Tap the microphone icon once. Your device will request permission to access the microphone if this is your first time using voice search. Grant permission by tapping Allow or OK. Step 5. When the microphone is activated, you'll see a listening indicator or animation on the screen, signaling that YouTube is ready to receive your voice command. Step 6. Speak clearly and naturally, stating what you want to search for. For example, say cooking tutorials or funny cat videos directly into your device. Step 7. YouTube will process your voice input and display it as text in the search box. If the transcription is correct, search results will automatically appear. Step 8. If YouTube misunderstood your command, tap the X icon to clear the search and try again, speaking more slowly and clearly. Step 9. On smart TVs with voice remotes, hold the microphone button on your remote and speak your search query. The process works similarly to mobile devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.